Telling
What you mean?
Hey, Plastic.
Yandy,
My God, who are you calling black deer?
you.
All Indian people are black. What's wrong? What do you think they are? Huh? People.
They're also black.
Yeah, do not be deceived by the long hair, right? Black charros, that's
Your one is short.
Yeah, don't judge my hair, right? But black.
Hey guys, it's your boy Twadi. Welcome to another one. You know what it is, man. You know I show up to show off at the showdowns, man. You know, so today we have a very exciting story, man. Welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about Thobeka Ndwandwe. You know, you might know her from Uzalo, like she's a young emerging actress. You know, I know the channel is based on stories of young and emerging musicians in South Africa. You know, but I thought, like this is an exciting story to tell. So I was like, I'm excited, guys. This is Thobeka Ndwandwe right here, man. You feel me? Thobeka is one of the most, young and exciting enthusiasts in Mzansi, man. You feel me? She just got one of her biggest gigs ever, man. You feel me? On Uzalo as an actress. And she's also a singer, guys. So you feel me? I'm not really going off context, man. Right here, you feel me? We focus on musicians. You feel me? The rest of the media industry, man. You feel me? She also sings as well, though. So Thobeka has been doing her shit, man. You feel me? She's been yenzing her stuff into yakhe dala ayenza ugirl shem. Ugirl, she acts, she sings, and she's a presenter as well. You feel me? So yeah, she's been in the media industry for quite a long time. Shout out to you, Thobeka, and congratulations, man. You feel me? People finally know you, girl. But what really caught people's attention about her is her voice, man. You feel me? Everybody's going crazy about her voice, man. You feel me? You feel me? And a lot of people are comparing her to Indian people. You feel me? They say she sounds Indian, like a quality voice, guys. Just listen to her speak, man.
Then again, I open my mouth and then everything is ruined, right? That's what he told me. It's like, you know what? You look so pretty when you're not talking, but the moment you open your mouth, then you're just a different girl. I'm like, what you mean? Hey, who you think you are? Busti, calm down, right? I'm telling him to calm down and chill, right? Because he doesn't know who I am and what I'm capable of too, right? I'm gonna just punch him in the face. What do you think he is? What you gonna do? What's gonna happen? Hey, Lanis, let me tell y'all. You see, I'd rather be single than actually mess with these boys out in the streets, right? I'm like, I'm not a street girl. I'm a wife. See me? See, I don't got my husband's baby. Yeah, but by the way, husband, where you are? Hey, please now, yo, baby, I'm tired of this thing, right? I'm tired of this thing, right? Because now, you're taking so long to come. Hey, baby, please, wherever you are, find me already. Please, I'm ready.
So Thobeka plays a role of a schoolgirl on Uzalo, you feel me? And she kills it. So now, like, she's really throwing a lot of, people's attention on PD, and like, you feel me, a lot of people have started to follow her. People are starting to share her videos. So South Africa, this is your new star right here, Thobeka Ndwandwe. So please, man, you feel me, give her a warm welcome. And you feel me, people call her a different South African because of her voice, man. You feel me? She has that deep voice. You feel me? It's kind of sexy, man. You feel me? Especially for us, Bafit. Niyaz machita how. When twibitsa manje abatwibitsa ngiyabona la ku social media yamachita akhala yamachita akhala, especially amachita. So like yeah, man, you feel me? Her most admirable feature is probably her voice right now. You feel me? And she's becoming a celebrity, man. You feel me? She was seen with multiple celebrities on various occasions. You feel me? If even Dago Zalo, like, she pushes her content on the side, so you can go and Google her, man. Google her or follow her on social media, whatever. Is Tobeka Ndwandwe. Tobeka Ndwandwe, man.
If I had it my way.
We are so hot in
Hiya,
Durban. So
hiya,
hot in
people.
Durban.
No, it's
Yeah.
not hot, right?
It's very
It's winter,
hot.
what do you expect it to do?
Yeah. We don't have winter in Durban.
Remove from the branding if you want
We
to see.
don't got winter.
Hey, boy,
Okay.
move from the branding. What's your problem?
Oh, yeah.
No, you want,
We
yeah.
are. Just
Want
we
to
want-
Bazania from
Yeah,
Durban.
God. We want really.
It's your boy Twadi, and this was a really short video. You feel me, Buffet too. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that whenever we post, Buffet Niazi. So like yeah, man, now it's time for the song of the day, man. I'm out. Twadi.
Purchase your beats. Purchase your beats now. Purchase your beats. Purchase your beats now.